Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking to you guys about the Nutcracker. It is a pet. It's one of my favorites so far in Grey Garden, I must say. Oof, I'm lagging. There we go. Sorry. It is a mythical pet. You can get it from the Christmas eggs from hatching it. And basically, it occasionally cracks open a random nutty type fruit and grants a random reward, ignores favorited fruit. So what would be considered a nutty type fruit? So let's go to the guide here and go to plants. Let's type in nutty. Okay, so hazelnut, butternut, squash, and coconut counts. I did put it in my garden and it gave me a reclaimer. I think from the coconut. I only have coconuts in my garden that are the nutty type of plant fruit thing. But yeah, that is it for this video. Make sure you have one of those 3 plants if you want to get items from the Nutcracker. Sorry. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.